Okay guys, may nagtatanong kung paano i-enable yung controller. Under general sa baba, touch controls. Click mo lang tong switch touch control layout. Then import. Napin mo lang yung controller, Infinity, PCF, then apply. Yan, apply. Back. Punta ka na ng enter container desktop. Ayan, mag-appear na yung controller. Tapos kung gusto mo mag-switch ng ibang controller, hanapin mo lang tong switch touch control layout. Drop down mo lang. Ito yung controller ko, babago yan. Ayan yung isang controller. Yun lang, good luck. Okay guys, may nagtatanong kung paano mag-register sa RunGS Infinity. Click mo lang tong English plug. Punta ka sa rungs-infinity.com. Green plug. Tapos click mo lang tong register now. That's it. Ikaw na bahala.